I would like to call my next witness.
The court would like to call Professor Philip Heinberger to the stand. Will you raise your right hand for me, please? You promise to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right.
Good afternoon, Herr Doctor. You are a professor of sacred history, are you not?
Yes. My name is Dr. Philip Julian Heinsberger, BSc, MSc, PhD, MDiv, Dip, Ed, MPhil.
Excuse me, Professor. If I heard rightly, the question said, are you a professor of sacred history? Please answer the question. Are you or are you not?
Yes, well, you see, I graduated from the University of Intellectual Scholars with distinction.
Professor, are you or are you not a professor of sacred history?
I am, but I also am author of various periodicals and books and news articles and...
Professor?
You were approached to do a study, Professor. What did that study entail?
Yes, well, you see, the Council of the World Churches, to which I am president, they asked me to conduct a study on the relationship between...
Professor, what is the result of your study?
Well, you see, among other things, the underlying result was that when a culprit transgressed the law, he was punished duly, directly, indirectly, moreover, and forthwith, you must understand, yes.
Yes, Professor, thank you. Have you any evidence or proof to substantiate your claim?
Yes, well, no. You see, you see the encyclopedia, Basic Instruction Before Leaving Earth, abbreviated BIBLE, and commonly known today as the Bible, it cites many cases to verify my claim, yes.
Do you have any examples, Professor?
That's right. If it pleases the court, I'd like to use some sort of visual aid here to demonstrate that when Satan came and his presence...
Professor, we're waiting for the example.
Right. If the lights could be taken down, I would demonstrate that when Satan was here, he caused confusion.
The banana and the blood We can eat all we see, but not that tree, cause if we do, well, then I'm dead. If that no rhyme, join our next line. As far as I remember, that's what God said.
So now you ain't gonna die. Just taste and see. Go ahead, climb the tree. Cause the fruit up there looks safe to me. God knows that if you touch it, then your beautiful eyes will be open to the fullest. It will make you wise.
So she stretched forth her hand and decided she would taste and see if the fruit was good. Then Adam returned from his swim in the sea. He said, "Hi, sugar, where's my dinner, baby?"
Dinner? It's where you be. 6 months in here like you old, I swear. Don't go your business, let me hear a cook food. Sure, take a bite.
This something tastes good.
But Adam
But Eve,
and they both
went to hide. See, their eyes had both been open wide. See, folks out there, since the day of creation, Satan's been deceiving every generation. He has mastered the art of deceiving and lying.
He's out to devour like a roaring lion.
let's take this story from Adam and Eve.
And learn there's only one and who we ought to believe. My God, who is gracious, holy and pure, never ever deceives. His word is always sure. So in closing, we will stress our final message to you. Don't be fooled by Satan.
It is God who is true.
Professor, have you heard of the argument that God winks at a man's ignorance, as he did indeed with Abraham and other gentlemen of that ilk who had more than one wife?
So some may argue that point, yes.
Would you argue that point, Professor?
We see, having studied them carefully, you see that there is no way that...
Professor, would you argue the point?
No.
In your opinion, Professor, do you think that the principles that's applied then should indeed be applied now?
Objection, Your Honor. The witness is not qualified to make such a statement.
Counselor, surely the man can speak his mind. Objection overruled.
Professor, the floor is yours. Can you answer the question?
Yes. You see, you see, Christ said that he's the same yesterday, today, and forevermore, and I believe that should stand today. Yes.
So indeed, it is in harmony. If a person is punished, then he should be expelled. Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.
All yours, defense.
Thank you. Hello, Philip Heinsberger.
That's Doctor, young lady. Dr. Philip Julian Heinsberger.
Sorry. Excuse me, Dr. Heinsberger. Are you familiar with the term grace?
Grace, my good ex-wife. Her name was Grace, but
It's not that type of grace. You know, we are no longer under the law. We are under grace.
yes, you see, I've thought about this, my young friend, and you see, grace has never substituted the result of sin. It merely releases you from it, but yet not.
Are you familiar with the term grace? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, well, it's a shame that grace hasn't managed to release you from the sin you still harbor in your heart.
I do not know what you are implying, young lady.
Well, maybe I can explain. First of all, however, you were never approached to conduct a study, were you? As a matter of fact, you did it of your own back.
Objection, Your Honor. It doesn't matter whether that's the case. He did a study, and it was conclusive.
Objection sustained.
Tell us about your daughter, Cynthia.
Objection, Your Honor. What has his daughter got to do with this case?
Defense.
Your Honor, it has everything to do with the case. 5 years ago, the professor's daughter was killed in a tragic car accident, and I stress the word, accident. The driver of the car, however, escaped with minor bruises. The professor tried to get the driver put away for manslaughter, citing careless driving, but the case never came to court. The professor swore he would get his justice.
That's very good, Counselor, but I don't understand the connection.
Your Honor, the professor is trying to get his justice. The driver of the car was my client, a youth.
Is this true, Professor?
Yes. That's right. Get in a little tow rag. The last thing I did. He killed my baby, my child.
It's clear he cannot continue, but I ask that he be removed.
Yeah, please remove him.
No more questions, Your Honour. I would like to call my final witness, Deacon.
Court would like to call Deacon to the platform. Sorry, to the stand. You, over here, man.
Clark, we need to rush on a little, you know.
Deacon, how long have you been on this glory-bound train?
67 long years, sir.
It would be fair for me to assume that you are a good assessor of people who travel on this train.
Yes, I can generally tell people who are going to survive this, who are going to face the pace of the race, and those who are going to quit. And I generally know if whether...
Yes, thank you, yes, we got the picture.
So what do you make of the defendant, Deacon?
Well, when I did hear say him baptized, I did think say it was very much impossible. And the fact that nobody did tell me after 67 years in this church was very much unacceptable. You see, him get baptized the other day, and I just can't believe say him get baptized the other day. I could never believe it. You see, to face up to the fact, him used to push drug. Me know say him fornicate, and him kill a man. Me know say him kill a man, and know him a preach in a gospel divine hour, and him a teach class. Well, I never. You see, there is no place for people like that in Philly. You see, let's face the fact. We is Seventh-day New Testament Church of God of Christ, Latter-day Saints, Anglican, General United Reform of the Anglican Southern Anglican Baptist Church with a clean-cut image. It is a disgrace, and the principles of the church we must uphold. I genuinely feel so we must turf him out off the train.
Yes, Deacon, thank you. I think we've made the point. No more questions, Your Honour.
Would you like to cross-examine the witness, defense?
No, Your Honor.
Would you like to call another witness?
No, actually, I've just been informed that my key witness is actually being held up in traffic, so, with your permission, I move that we have a short recess so that I have the chance to brief him once he arrives.
Any objection to church?
No, Your Honour.
All right, this court is adjourned for a 15-minute recess.
Me glass. You see me glass?